AI is the biggest advancement yet in computing. It's the first technology that promises to do all of your work, not just assist you. But the reality isn't quite as simple, right? Getting the results you need from AI is often incredibly hard. If you've ever been frustrated writing prompt after prompt only to get an output that is just not right, you know what I mean. It's like trying to talk to a brilliant but stubborn robot. You pour your heart and soul into crafting the perfect prompt, but it still spits out something completely off the mark, and then the cycle begins. Tweak the prompt, regenerate, analyze, repeat. Hours vanish into thin air, and you are still nowhere close to what you need. Tired of wrestling with AI, spending hours tweaking prompts only to get results that are, well, less than stellar? You are not alone. But things can be different. Imagine AI that just works. No more prompt hell. No more endless chat conversations. Yes, it can be a reality with some human ingenuity combined with well-designed, ready-made AI workflows. Introducing Writix, the AI content powerhouse that gets you results in 60 seconds or less. With over 300 ready-to-go workflows, Writix handles everything your business needs. From crafting compelling marketing copy to generating insightful reports, it's all done for you. Just select a workflow, fill in a few details, and watch the magic happen. Why settle for one AI when you can have them all? Writix taps into the strengths of multiple AI models, delivering unique perspectives and results that truly stand out. Whether it's blogs, ads, or data analysis, Writix delivers fresh, creative, and tailored outputs. We know the frustration of prompt error. Hours spent tweaking and retweaking only to get inconsistent results. Writix eliminates this. No more endless prompting. Just choose a workflow and get the results you want without the hassle and the prompt mania. Forget spending hours on content creation. Writix is 10x faster and 10x better. Create content in just a few clicks and free up your time to grow your business or simply enjoy life. Writix covers every aspect of your business. Create SEO-friendly content, high-converting emails, powerful sales scripts, and even plan your market strategy. Break down language barriers with Writix. Writix works in any language. Create content for global audiences without even knowing the language yourself. Just select your target language and let Writix do the rest. With Writix, you get the perfect results every single time. Collaboration with others is easy. Share workflows and results with your team with just a click. Foster innovation and drive unprecedented team results with Writix's seamless sharing capabilities. Some problems require more than just surface level analysis, and well, Writix has you covered with its deep thinking models that dissect intricate challenges, revealing hidden patterns and delivering precise actionable solutions. Stop repeating tedious tasks, build custom workflows tailored to your exact needs, and with Writix, you can be the architect of your own automation. The best thing is, Writix is constantly evolving with frequent updates and new workflows to help you achieve measurable growth. You will always be ahead in the AI race. From blogging to budgeting, from marketing to legal requirements, Writix has a workflow for everything you and your clients' businesses need. See for yourself how Writix can transform your business. Watch our demo and discover the power of AI done for you. Join over 100,000 satisfied users of our products. Writix is proudly made by Technic-Force, a company rated 5 stars for product quality and support. Stop wasting your time on prompts and start getting results. Click the link below and unlock the power of AI done for you. Right now, Writix is on a special sale for a very attractive price. A price you might not see again. Grab it now so that you get the best offer. Your investment in Writix is 100% secure. Yes, you can try it without any risk for 30 days. Use Writix, get your work done faster and better, and if you're not absolutely delighted by the results, tell us anytime within those 30 days for a full refund. The risk is ours and the advantage all yours. So what are you waiting for? Get your Writix now.